number one, if you're going to use a hoe, don't wear flip-flops. Wear you some good boots. Rule number two, don't do more work than is necessary. The goal to killing weeds is to get the plant out by the roots, like that, and then make sure that root is exposed and the sun will kill it. That is not the way to do it. That weed, even that is not the way to do it. That weed will survive. It will come back strong. May have to use the corner of the hoe, may have to do a little bit more work, but get that root out. Right there it is, and he'll die.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.